Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, a must-have for anyone who loves cooking, baking, and meal prepping. This digital scale can accurately measure up to 5 kilograms/11 pounds in 1 gram increments, allowing you to be precise with your recipes. You can select your preferred units from Oz/Hol, Oz/Flows//Mel, making it convenient to follow recipes. The scale is powered by two AAA batteries, which are included, making it portable and easy to replace batteries when needed. The tare function enables you to weigh your food without including the weight of the container. The backlit LCD display makes it easy to read measurements, even in dimly lit environments. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is made of high-quality 304 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring that you can confidently measure food, small items, and liquids. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy this amazing product. Thanks for watching.